G'day, my name is Cyrus and welcome to Automotive. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the seat on a 2021 Kawasaki KLX150BF. The tools you need for this job are an 8mm socket, a 5mm hex key, and a 10mm socket. Unfortunately, none of these tools are in the stock toolkit. The first step is to remove the left side cover bolt with an 8mm socket. Doesn't matter which side of the bike you start on. Also, you don't need a stand, we're only using that today for filming convenience. Next step is to move the side panel away, pulling out the plastic posts from the relevant grommets, pulling out and away from the vehicle. You can see the 3 corresponding posts and the 3 corresponding grommets. After this, use a 5mm hex key to remove the seat grab strap. Make sure you keep an eye on this washer. It's the same color as the strap and it easily falls off. Next step is to remove the seat bolt with 10mm socket. Now that side's done, we repeat the process on the other side of the bike. First step on this side is to remove the side cover bolt with the 8mm socket. Then once again, pulling away from the bike, move from front to back. We pull the side cover off to release it from the grommets. Next, we'll remove the other side of the seat strap with a 5mm hex key. This is optional. If you want, you can just fold this over and then keep going. We remove it today just for the sake of completeness. Also, if you want it, you don't need to put this back on. I personally like keeping it on the bike because it allows me to handle the bike easier. Also, if I ever did want to take a third passenger, it gives them something to hold on to. Same thing as the other side. Keep an eye on that washer. Next, remove the seat bolt with a 10mm socket. Remove the seat, grab it at the front and back, lift it up, pull and pull back. This releases the hooks from the tank hook and the frame hook. To reinstall the seat, we just do the same process in reverse. We need to engage the frame hook and the tank hook. Starting slightly back from where you pulled it off, align the seat, making sure the tabs on the outside of the frame push the seat down and forwards. Should clip into place. Then make sure you check by lifting on the front to make sure it's engaged. In this case, we have failed to engage the front hook, so we need to do it again. Down and forward. Make sure you pull on the front. Check the tanks. It's engaged. In this case again, this is out to engage. First time down. There we go. First what we reinstall is the seat bolt. Start off by hand to make sure you don't cross thread it. When you're tightening it, don't over tighten it. I don't know what the torque values are for this bike, but when I looked up minimum values, I'll put the values on the screen. Looking like if these are weak bolts, which I don't know what grade they are, probably looking at 11 Nm for the strap bolt, the seat bolt, and probably 4.5 Nm for the side cover bolt. These are just minimum values. Chances are the real value is higher than this. Next step is reinstalling the seat strap. You don't have to do this. I will for the sake of completeness. Also, I like to use it. Put the bolt back into the strap, make sure the washer's in there. Again, start off by hand tightening it to make sure you don't cross thread it. Tighten off using the 5mm hex key. Don't over tighten it. Using the long edge instead of the short edge gives you less torque. less likely to wreck it. Next step is to reinstall the side cover. Doing this, we need to make sure that these tabs go into the seat and these posts go into the relevant grommets. I find it's easiest to put your hand behind the grommets and then push against it to get them in, especially with these two, as these are plastic and they've got a bit of give to them. The middle frame one is okay because we've got force to resist against. Give it a light tug, just make sure it's in. Next step, we return the side cover bolt. Again, starting off by hand. Finish it off with the 8mm socket. Cool. Once again, we repeat the process on the other side of the bike. Same thing on this side, staying in the seatbelt first. If you need to align the hole, just press down on it. Start off hand tightening. And finish up with a 10mm socket, making sure not to over tighten. Then we return the seat strap bolt on this side. Again, making sure the washer's on. Push it through the strap first. Get it into place. Hand tighten first. Finish off with the 5mm hex key. Again, don't over tighten it. Next step, replace the side cover. Making sure we get these tabs underneath the relevant part of the seat and these posts engaging with the relevant grommets. Give it a light pull, make sure it's engaged. Turn the side cover bolt. Again, just hand tightening it first, making sure it's engaged and not cross-threaded. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something. Feel free to criticize, leave a comment. Anything wrong with the lighting, filming, setup, how I did the job, let me know. I can't learn without feedback. Anyways, thanks again, see you in the next one.